Hi everybody, Sammy Surf here. If you want to learn how to draw this snake step by step, stick around. Rather cool. We are going to draw a snake step by step. You need a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper. Follow along with me. We're going to draw a circle for the eye, and then a pupil on the left, and then add some shading. Yabba-da-bum-ba-da, yabba-da-bum-ba-dum-ba-da, yum-ba-dum-ba-dum. Hey! Now let's start drawing the mouth. On the left, draw a letter C. Oh yeah! Now we're going to draw the jaw towards the bottom on the left, going towards the right. Now let's draw the other eye, a curved line on the left, and then draw that other pupil in and add a little bit of shading, da 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 da. Behind the eyes, we're going to make a curved line and then we're going to stop. Now let's make the body of the snake. On the left, a wiggly line, and then on the right, follow it along. Very cool. Let's make the snake coming out of a hole. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw a curved line and then go around towards the right and then stop. Inside the hole, you're going to add some shading, da-da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey! Let's draw the ground from the left, going towards the right. Remember to lift your pen or pencil so that the ground is behind the snake for that perspective. Let's go back up to the snake. Let's add detail. Can everyone say detail? Add a line by the mouth and draw kind of a 6 and fill it on in for the nostrils on this snake. Let's add a pattern to our snake. You can add your own pattern. I'm going to do the letter U or the letter C going on the back of our snake. Totally cool. Let's add some shading in our pattern. Totally radical. If you have colored pens or pencils, you can color in your snake any color you would like. Let's add some detail down below. Just some lines on the ground. Totally radical, keeping it simple and silly. Let's write a whole bunch of S's. Ready? S, 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 and they get smaller and smaller with an exclamation point. Let's add a speech bubble around the S. And everyone goes, all right. And then an upside down V, so it makes it look like your snake is going S. We are almost finished. Let's add some scales on our snake. And that's more detail. Can everyone say detail? And a little bit of shading, yabba-da-ba-ba-da, yabba-da-bum-ba-dum-ba-da, yum-ba-dum-ba-dum. Hey! Now let's add some action lines on the back of the snake and then on top of the head, so it's going Wow, we just drew a snake step by step on its Capo Toon time through distance learning cartooning. Totally radical. Virtual high five, virtual high five, virtual high five. Oh yeah!